I was skeptical about this one, I'm not gonna lie, when I first heard about the Powermatic 12-inch parallelogram jointer. I mean, I've used my fair share of jointers in the past, but this one seemed like it was gonna be just another expensive tool taking up space in my workshop. But, after using it for a few projects, I gotta say, my mind has totally changed. The performance and quality of this jointer have really impressed me, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, so be sure to take a look at that if you're interested. So, one of the things that really stood out to me about this jointer is the large 12 inches by 84 inches precision ground cast iron table surface. It's massive, and it gives me all the room I need to work on big projects without feeling cramped. Plus, the parallelogram design allows for super close table-to-cutter head proximity, which makes it way easier to get precise cuts. I've been using it to joint some big planks of wood for a custom table I'm building, and it's been a total breeze. The straight knife cutter head is also a big plus. It's fast, efficient, and leaves a smooth finish every time. In terms of practical benefits, this jointer has been a total game changer for my workflow. For one, it saved me a ton of time with the ability to joint big pieces of wood quickly and accurately. I can get on with the rest of my project without getting bogged down in prep work. It's also been a huge help for getting consistent results. The precision ground table and close table-to-cutter head proximity make it way easier to get precise cuts every time. Plus, the rack and pinion adjustable cast iron fence assembly is a nice touch. It allows for easy adjustments and it's very durable. And let's not forget the table lips on both sides of the cutter head. They really aid in noise reduction, which is a big plus for me since I work in a small shop. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, I'd say one of the big pros is the industry-leading 5-year warranty that Powermatic offers. It's a big confidence booster knowing that I'm covered in case anything goes wrong. Another pro is the overall build quality. This thing is built like a tank. It's clear that Powermatic put a lot of thought into designing a jointer that can withstand heavy use. One con I've noticed is that it can be a bit of a pain to change the knives, but to be fair, that's not something you're doing every day. Overall, I'm really happy with this jointer, and I think it's a great addition to any serious woodworker's shop. So, if you're in the market for a new jointer, I'd definitely recommend checking out the Powermatic 12-inch parallelogram jointer. Like I said, link is in the description, so be sure to take a look at the latest price on Amazon and see if it's a good fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.